Hey guys, Mike here. I've decided to start doing some trade recaps. I'm going to recap some trades I'm proud of. I'm going to recap some trades I'm humiliated by. Maybe a couple of weeks. So today I'm going to start with one I'm proud of, right? But first, let me answer why you might be wondering, what does he mean, blue collar day trader, right? Most of you that are in the chat room know this already, but many don't. This was my old office. I did this for 23 years. Only I had a little, this isn't me, by the way. I had a little table over here with a laptop and an air card. Most of you younger people are saying, what the hell's an air card? But try getting internet on an air card on a laptop inside a metal building with all this machinery. It is not the safest way to trade, but I did that for I want to say 8 years, teaching myself to trade, watching how charts reacted, watching level two, and actually trading from the line, believe it or not. And when I finally got to the point where I was comfortable enough and making enough money from the line, I left GM with 23 years. I could have had 7 more years and had full retirement and kept medical and all that. And believe me, medical is not cheap. But anyway, that's my old office. Let me give you a shot of my new office, which isn't new because I've been doing this for a long time now. This was years ago, but there's my new office. Sometimes it looks like this. Sometimes it looks like this because sedentary lifestyle is not a great thing. So I actually have a bike that I use. Sometimes it looks like this. And even have this against one wall in my office, and even juggle sometimes, believe it or not. It's not good. If you don't know what you're doing, you can break a monitor pretty easy. But anyway, so that's what I mean by, I still consider myself a blue collar guy who just figured it out, right? So that's why I titled the video, had the word blue collar day trader in there. So today I'm just going to break down QBTS. And now I know if you're on social media and you follow a bunch of traders, I'm sure there's people that made 20, 30, 40,000 in this thing, right? I don't trade that big and I don't take big risks because, I don't have a fallback. This is what I do for a living. So I play defensively and, keep in mind, I'm just trying to outdo what I used to make, so to speak. So anyway, QBTS, there's the daily. Market's closed now, has massive volume. Here's the thing, I didn't discover this or the fact that quantum computing stocks were on fire until it had already run to like 82 cents. So it's not like I caught the bulk of this move. Let me go to 5-minute candles. It probably looked about like this when I discovered it. So it had this huge move already and was kind of flagging. And let me find where I posted in chat my idea. Those of you in chat will understand this. If you're not in chat, I'll try to explain real quick. QBTS, 15's buy zone near 70 cents is an interesting setup. That's what I put in chat. So I liked it near 70 cents. The 15's buy zone is the area, these are 5-minute candles, the area between the red and green line. Again, I give a much further explanation for people in chat, but so this whole area is the buy zone. I was looking at kind of the lower half of the buy zone. Also, it had bounced off that area right here. So let me throw this over here. These are the bids I had out. I had 73 cents. I had 69 and 71. The reason this says you're out because they didn't fill because it didn't get down there. So I had 3 bids in place. My 73 cent one did fill. So I got filled right here. The other 2 did not. So there's about where I was getting filled. No, sorry. There's where I got filled. And you can see the other bids did not fill. I left them in place and then it curled back up and then I pulled these bids and then just let the trade work. And it ended up closing really nicely. I sold out many shares at right at $1. I just did a market order and I was filled at $1. I don't know how that happens, 0.0002 or whatever. But percentage wise, a nice trade. Again, I don't trade big. There's my profits, but keep in mind, this is one trade from the day, and this was a week and a half of doing this. A week and a half, right? This trade took me a couple hours. So I love day trading. Again, I'm going to start making more videos trying to break down trades that I took and explain them. And again, I promise you, I will show some ugly trades when I have them too, because as Wayne always says, there's more to be learned from the losers than the winners. I didn't have anything ugly today though, but again, I'm just going to do a couple a week. That's it for me for now. We'll talk to you later.